If you want to change the chat background in Telegram for a contact, there's an important thing to know first. On Telegram Desktop for PC, you can only change the chat background globally for all chats, not for one specific contact. So, if you were looking for a single contact wallpaper, Telegram Desktop does not currently support that. But if you want to customize the look of your chats on your computer, I'll walk you through the exact steps right now. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. First, open Telegram on your PC. In the top left corner, click the three horizontal lines, also called the menu button. This will open the main menu where you can access Telegram's settings. From there, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for Chat Settings. This is where Telegram keeps the options for appearance, chat style, and background customization. Click Chat Settings, and then scroll down until you find the Chat Wallpaper section. This section controls the background behind your chats. Here, Telegram gives you a few different choices. You can select a preset color if you want something simple and clean. You can also choose a gradient if you want a more colorful and modern look, and if you want to use your own custom image, click Choose from File. That lets you upload a picture directly from your computer, which is a great way to personalize your Telegram experience. After you select your preferred wallpaper or image, take a moment to preview how it looks. If it feels right, click Apply to save the changes. Once you apply it, Telegram will update the chat background across your desktop app. Just remember again that on Telegram Desktop, this background applies to all chats, not just one specific contact. So if you were trying to customize only one person's chat, that option is not available on PC at the moment. If you ever want to switch it back, just go back into Chat Settings and choose a different wallpaper, or reset it to the default. And that's it. You now know how to change the chat background in Telegram on PC. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.